welcome to Tech Transform. In this video, I am going to tell you about what are the special methods in Python. They are called magic methods, or somebody called it Dunder method also, because the naming convention starts with underscore underscore double underscore. So we'll see in action how they are useful, how we can use these special methods in Python. Jupyter Note. Let me launch Jupyter Notebook. We have to move our working directory on Python. Let's create a new notebook. Python 3. Give it a name called special methods. Alright. Let me create a list. What I want to say you, I will demonstrate you by example. Comma 2, comma 3. I'm declaring a list here. Let's say I want to print this list. We can do that. We are getting the output 1 2 3. Let's say I want to call the length function on that. I got the length as 3. Now these are the inbuilt data type we are doing. Let's say we create our own class, and this is the object we are creating from inbuilt class. Let's say we want to create our own class sample. We are not going to return anything. I'm calling pass. There is no definition, just for the demonstrator purpose. Let's say my sample is equal to sample. So this is the object I have created. Let's say I want to print this, like we printed my list. Here we are just getting as an output where it is stored in the memory. The location of this particular object in the memory we got as an output. But here we got as actual list, actual items in the string. Let's say I want to do length function on this particular our object, my sample. It's throwing error. Object of type sample has no length. So what is the difference between these inbuilt classes, objects, and keywords, and the same thing we are not able to do in our user defined class or objects? So here comes the special methods in Python that will allow you to do same things for your own created method also. So let's say I'm creating one more method, one function. Let's say def books. Okay, I'm passing so def underscore underscore init underscore underscore self. I'm passing three parameter here: name, author, pages. Okay, self dot name is equal to name, self dot author is equal to author, self dot pages equal to pages. So this class is expecting 3 parameter. Fine. Now let's say we want to create instance of this particular book class. We are passing name as Python, 3 parameters. Author, let's say my name. Pages, let's say 500. So this is the object we just created. Books takes 0 positional argument. Sorry, it should be class keyword. Okay, now we created successfully the object of this class. Let's say what we can do. Same thing what we do here. Print. Let's try to print here. Print book we are getting the memory where this particular object in memory, the location of the memory we got in a print statement. We didn't get like this. Okay, even after I'm trying to perform that length function on this, again I'm not getting that. So let's implement that. We have special methods in Python. Let's use those method. Let's say this b is nothing, just print anything you are printing. This print is equal actually this string representation of that. So this print is nothing, the string representation of book. This any print statement is the string representation of that. So for that, in order to do the print from this particular method, we want to execute under we want to use our special method that is called underscore underscore str. Here pass itself. Then I want to return here. Let's say return. I'm giving string formatting here. F self dot book name, self dot name by self dot author. Okay, so remember you have to return here. I'm executing, I'm rerunning this cell, rerunning this object, rerunning this. Now see, we got that accurate method. We want to, whatever you want to do here, you can return if you want to do like this. So we see this method. For length, still it is not working. For length, there is also you want to, whatever you want to print on length function, you can use the special method called underscore underscore. Every special keyword or name starts in Python with double underscore because you accidentally can't create that in user defined variable. Self, let's say I want to, when I want to apply len on this book, we should print something. Let's say I'm returning, best thing to return here, self dot pages. Okay. I'm rerunning this cell and rerun this, now rerun, now see what will happen. Rerun this. What happened?